Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this BMW. From any screen, click nav, which is the bottom right hand one there. If you click across there, you've got settings here. If you click to the left, you can go on to this. Click to the left, you can go on to these different icons. If you click to the left again, you've got the one we're after: destination input, map, recent destinations, points of interest. So turn the thumb wheel until you get to destination input. We want United Kingdom anyway. That's the town. Click on the town and you can put a postcode in. So we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to numbers. Click on further characters, 5, 4, and then we need to go back. It's defaulted back to letters, J, S, and then click OK using the thumb wheel. That's it. Turn it down to start guidance, click start guidance.
In 100 yards you will have reached your destination.
So I'll just show you again from that screen. If you click left and left again, it brings up the navigation instructions, which is what you want. Destination input there again, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Preston, PR. Now that was the letters, we need numbers, so turn round to there and you see further characters. Click further characters, then 5, 4, defaults back to letters, J, S. It's defaulted to OK. Click OK just by clicking the selector button, and then turn the rotary down to start guidance.
In 100 yards you will have reached your destination.